Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World with Art! Toot toot! We need to restart this. And I'm sorry I've left y'all so long, but let's make a train set today. First, let's cut 10 cm of a smaller cardboard tube. Also cut 5 cm of a bigger cardboard tube with one edge trimmed shorter so it resembles this circular wave that fits on the round side of a big tube. Then glue that edge and paste it on the end side of another big tube, and also glue the smaller tube onto the same side but opposite end of the big tube. This makes a train head. Now paint this orange or any color you choose for the train head, including the inner sides that can be seen from the outside. Next, trace and cut 12 circles out of black paper to make wheels. Punch 2 holes into the end of the main body of the train head, and then glue 4 wheels to the body. Make 2 more carriages by painting 2 more big tubes, gluing on 4 wheels each and punching 2 holes on each of the ends. Then connect all the carriages by weaving string into all the holes between 2 carriage ends and tying a knot to connect them. And it's done! Toot toot! Hope this kicks off your week again! And thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.